from your computer or drag and drop it into the upload area. If you don't already have a CSV or Excel file prepared, no problem. You can download our sample file to use as a template and fill in your client information manually. On the next page, you'll be able to review your information before anything gets imported into your account. Make sure each column lines up correctly. If something doesn't match, just click on the column title and select the correct option. If there are any issues with the file, AthletaDesk will let you know what needs to be fixed. You can either correct the issues or continue importing without those entries. Before finishing the import, you'll also have the option to assign trainers, set client statuses, and choose reminder preferences. Once everything looks good, click Import. And that's it. Your clients are now imported into AthletaDesk and ready to go. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at support@athletadesk.com.